Now, in other news, coronavirus still getting worse and worse every day, with at least 3.78% of every test coming back positive. Major hospitals then reopening their COVID ICUs as officials in the COVID cabinet are convening to discuss tightening restrictions again.
The coronavirus pandemic's dangerous trends continuing upwards. The Israeli Health Ministry reporting nearly 4,000 new diagnoses from Monday alone, the highest rate since March. And this adding to the over 22,000 active patients, 221 of whom are in serious condition. Likewise, the death toll since the start of the pandemic now at 6,492. The coronavirus cabinet then trying desperately to come up with strategies that can curb the virus's spread, but with the least impact on the public. Elderly and at-risk communities already lining up for their third vaccine shots, and the applications of the Green Pass system, reinstated last week, are likely to soon be expanded to include children under 12 and events smaller than the current 100-person threshold. Furthermore, with respect to travel, while tourists from abroad are still barred from entering Israel outright, the Health Ministry is recommending new updates to its travel risk listings for Israelis as well. If approved, on top of the PCR tests and the negative COVID checks necessary to enter the country, Israelis, vaxxed or not, will also be required to quarantine for 7 days upon arrival when returning from these orange countries: Cambodia, Colombia, Costa Rica, Fiji, Guatemala, Honduras, Kenya, Liberia, Mongolia, Myanmar, Namibia, Panama, Paraguay, the Seychelles, the UAE, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Return to Israel from the following red countries, on the other hand, is banned completely, even for Israelis. The red list including Argentina, Belarus, Brazil, Cyprus, Georgia, India, Kyrgyzstan, Mexico, Russia, South Africa, Spain, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and Uzbekistan.